Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, update iOS, free up storage, and have a reachable phone number and email. Once done, open Settings and attempt to create a new Apple ID under your country. If you see an error, sign out of any existing Apple ID and reboot the device. This clears temporary account locks and sync issues. Make sure the device's date and time are set to automatic so Apple servers authenticate correctly, and then proceed to the next step. You now run the creation flow inside Settings. Tap Sign In, then create new Apple ID and follow prompts. Enter precise personal data because mismatched info triggers server rejections. Pick a strong password that meets Apple's complexity rules. When Apple sends a verification code by SMS or email, enter it immediately. Delays often expire codes and cause repeat errors. If payment info is requested, choose None or add a valid card. This step ensures in-app purchases for Among Us work later. Finish by signing into the App Store with your new Apple ID and download Among Us. Once installed, grant required permissions and test a login. This confirms the Apple ID is active and usable for game services. If you still cannot create or use the account, reset network settings to clear DNS and proxy issues, then try again. As a last resort, contact Apple support with your device serial and error screenshots so they can resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.